Okay, so from your home screen in ArcGIS, you want to go to Scene. And once the scene opens, the first thing that you want to do is click on a new scene. Then you want to add some layers. So we're going to do that through the plus and do browse layers. And change this to ArcGIS online content and type in Ordnance Survey 3D. Add this first one that comes up from the Education Central Data account, and it'll zoom you to the UK. And from here, this in itself is quite a useful tool because you're now able to view OS map data in 3D. So if I go to, for example, the Lake District for some glaciation features. Oh, it's got the wrong place. Okay, so if I go to Ullswater, for example, we can see that the OS map is there once we zoom in. And if I toggle to this round button, I can then go up and down the way to change the view to make it 3D. This in itself is quite powerful for pupils to understand how the white areas and the steep contours work and exposed rock. You can then obviously remove the layer, so you could remove the layer or hide it in layers to be able to see the underlying ground that's there as well. So that's an option that you can do. If you want to then use the measure tool, you're now where you need to be. So you can go back to your kind of normal bird's eye view of the map. And from this icon here, the little measure tool, you want the final one here. And you need to scroll this right down and do a new profile. Once you've got the kind of crosshairs on the map, that's you set. So I'm just going to move my map around a little bit to make the best use of the space. So if I want to pan, I need this one. There we go, and I'm going to zoom out just a tick. There we go, so that it's the same kind of look as the OS maps for kids on their exam. And so I'm going back to the ruler, back into here and scroll down. New profile is already selected, so I've got my crosshairs, and I can click here and double click to finish, and it will draw the profile for me instantly. What's then really nice about this is that on that same profile, you can switch back to the 3D toggle mode, and you can then go and show them that in 3D there and zoom in and out to make that really, really clear for them. So it definitely accelerated learning from my Nat 5s, and hopefully it will help you too. Thanks.